Opulo is an open hardware company making the Lumen PNP, a desktop pick-and-place machine that automatically assembles electronic components onto circuit boards. After stenciling solder paste onto your PCB, you load it into the Lumen PNP for assembly. Using 2 custom high-resolution cameras, the Lumen PNP calibrates your board's exact position, picks components from our automated feeders, aligns the part accurately using machine vision, and then places them exactly onto your circuit board. After population, boards go into a reflow oven to heat the solder paste, which mechanically and electrically connects the components to the PCB, resulting in a finished circuit board ready for use. The Lumen PNP is ideal for prototyping production runs as small as 5 or 10 boards same day, all the way up to thousands of boards per year for medium production quantities. For more information about setting up an SMT line, you can check out our setup page. For more information about the Lumen PNP and its capabilities, see the machine datasheet. We have configuration tools that help you find out exactly what hardware you need to assemble your boards, and a calculator that can show you how much money and time a Lumen PNP can save you. For demos, we have a number of example videos showing the machine in action. You can also see customers that use the Lumen PNP every day on our customer spotlight page. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to support.opulo.io, or you can email our sales team directly at sales@opulo.io. Links to all of that in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you for watching.